Hey YouTube, how's it going? Well, I finally got it in. I've been waiting a month. FedEx guy just left. So let's take a look at what we got. I had to go through another company, but the floor pan is finally here for copperhead. So then once I get this put in, which too busy today to do it, but once I get this put in, then we can start on the carpet, which the carpet's been sitting over there for a month. I ordered everything together. And then I can order my seats. Then I can start the wiring. Then put the engine in. So now we can get rolling on this thing. Damn bugs. Spring, right? Let's see if we can get this open. Okay, well, now we got the box open. Let's flip the camera around real quick. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty good floor pan. Comes up on come up on there. And let's see if y'all want to read which one it is. We'll go back here to the truck. It's around. We'll go back up here. We'll go over here to the truck and see how it fits. Just set it in there on the floorboard, see how it fits in there. And then tomorrow should be able to start cutting it out and putting this floor pan in. Once I get this floor pan in, seal everything up and put the carpet in it, we can get rolling. I've been dying to get this done. No Name Nationals is not getting here any later. And I'm starting to feel the pressure, especially now that I gotta get old Red back on the road too. So, hey. Well, this one's about the same as the other one. Sitting here pretty decent, but it's gonna have to, it's not, I don't know. They don't seem like they're perfect. But this floor isn't near as bad, the driver's side. Because the other one was all the way out to here. Maybe that one is as bad. Right there, yeah, that's an ugly spot. But I'll do it like I did the other one and cut it pretty much up through here and around. And I'll do it the same way as I did the other side. But yeah, I haven't really been doing anything with the truck. Been trying to get Mighty Mouse straightened out. And found out I need to find a timing pointer for it. Because it bolts onto the block. It's not machined into the block like most other vehicles. You know, Red's got its problems. So, but yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll get on this and I can get the carpet in it. And then once I get that part of it done and start getting the wiring done, then I start getting on the front end stuff for this. I got to go pick the front end parts up, new bushings and whatnot for the front end. Buddy of mine donated all that stuff. He had a bunch of it for one of his old trucks that he got rid of, so he's gonna give me that stuff. And speaking about donating, I noticed a couple people, well, I shouldn't say I noticed, but a couple people have contacted me. Let's go back in here where it's not so bright. A couple people have contacted me and said they wanted to donate some parts to old Red. I appreciate it. I don't want to seem like I'm begging for parts or anything like that, because I mean I can afford to do it. Not that I want to do it, or want to afford to do it, I should say, but I can afford to do it, take care of my own. But anyway, I really appreciate it. Um, if you feel the need to, parts would be welcome. But right now, with old Red, I just need to get it back on the road and get driving. Kind of getting short on vehicles. Sold a couple, and then this happened. So I'm getting a little short on vehicles. I usually like to have at least 3 running, because for years I'd have one car, and if it broke down, then I was at late night trying to turn wrenches and get it back going so I could get to work. So I like to keep 2 or 3, and right now I got the Jeep and got Mighty Mouse that'll run. It still ain't the best, but it'll run. But a friend of mine is using a Jeep to get herself back and forth to work. So all I really have is Mighty Mouse, and me and her both have to work on the same day. So I need to get Red back up and running as soon as I can. So that's why I'm really glad I got the floor pan in, so I can get started on getting copperhead going together. Once I get the floor cut out, then I can get the motor dropped in, and then I'll free up my engine stand so I can pull the engine out of old Red, tear it down, see how bad it is, and get some machine work done on it. And that'll make for some pretty good content, I hope. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that I got the pan today and what I'm getting ready to do. So I'll holler at y'all later. Y'all have a good one.